Hello, I'm Savage from HappySpot.com. Today we're making banana bread. The link will be in the description of my video. So here we need 1 cup of mashed bananas, 1 cup of sour cream, and 1/4 butter or margarine, 1 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, which is right here, and 2 cups of flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Oh, and vanilla extract is 1 teaspoon. So, you combine the bananas with the sour cream. And set aside. So, you have to cream the butter and the sugar and until nice and smooth. Put in the eggs and mix it. Okay, so you have to mix in the vanilla with the sugar and butter mixture. You have to combine the baking soda, the baking powder, and the salt and flour and mix it. Right? Into the bananas. And then mix it. Spread the batter evenly into the prepared pans. Bake for 50 minutes at 350 degrees for 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the bread comes